We're out here in the Sykesville area replacing some of the older wood poles to fiberglass poles on one of our 110 kV lines. The benefit behind that is with the wood poles being out in a more low traffic area, you get woodpeckers and things like that decide that our poles are nice homes for them. Going with the fiberglass poles, a couple of the benefits are they can last longer and we don't have to worry about wildlife making holes and damaging the poles. The poles that we're changing out, they range from 65 footers up to 85 footers. Some of the challenges for a job like this is the terrain. As you can see, it's a relatively good hill. We had some other ones where the hills were even worse. We couldn't get trucks up and down some of the hills without having dozer work and having pads built to set the trucks up on and work. Those had a few challenges, but we get it done and make sure the system's running properly.